First, access the Futures Copy Trading's homepage and click on My Lead Trades. From there, proceed to the Lead Trader dashboard by clicking on Go Lead. This will take you seamlessly to your lead trading area. Make sure to transfer funds from your spot account to your copy trading sub-account prior to initiating any trades. For active copy traders, the system will automatically replicate your trading commands. Enter the trade amount you desire, select Buy Long for bullish or Sell Short for bearish market outlooks, and proceed to confirm. How to configure lead trading parameters? Navigate to the Lead Trader dashboard and select Profit Sharing Sent. Simply confirm your changes by clicking Submit. Kindly noted that the profit sharing ratio can only be modified once within 14 days.